I know it's very unusual that we do a walk and talk, but we're going to do a walk and talk today. I gotta go out and get some lunch, and yeah, we're going to do a walk and talk today. I know it's unusual, but usually I just give you a walking tour everywhere in Philly. But today we're going to do a walk and talk. Yeah, this is all pretty cool. This is all different murals and paintings somebody recently did of the city. It's pretty cool. I saw them painting this about a month ago. I think they had a couple of different artists here painting this. And it's pretty cool. Pretty cool addition to this hallway that had nothing in it before. I like it. They did a good job. But I'll do a walk and talk as I go get lunch. Sorry, I'm going to stop the camera when I get my lunch. I'm not going to record that because I'm hungry. So just bear with me. I was going to walk out into the street as I walk to where I'm going, but I changed my mind. I want to walk through the mall. I know this fashion district mall. I recorded it before. I have it on my YouTube. You'll see it here. I did record this mall before. So I'm gonna walk through. Before this last video I made of the mall, they told me I couldn't record in here. The guards actually stopped me and said I couldn't record. Now I'm holding my cell phone and talking. Maybe it's no big issue. So we'll see. Got some music playing. I don't know if that's going to interfere with anything. Copyright, my foot hurts. So this hallway is when you get off the train. That's what the train is right down there. The L, sort of like the L's down there. And the mall starts here, but these entrances here are closed. Because you can imagine if they were open, people would be running out with clothes and stuff. I need some new boots. I should go in there. I don't know if they're going to stop me from recording or not. But yeah, this hallway is pretty much for people just getting off the train or getting on the train. That's what this hallway is for. So that's all this is for, this hallway. You come down here, you would be in the main part of Fashion District Mall. And here's where you begin the main part of the mall. I'm just taking this way instead of going out into the street. Could go into the street, Market Street, and take that to where I'm going. But I'm always out there. So barely cut through the mall. It's not really a shortcut, it's just a different route. Just a different route, not a shortcut. So today is Friday. What's the date? I don't know. What's the date? 25th, 26th of May? I don't know. Today's Friday. It's a holiday weekend here. What's this, Memorial Day weekend? Monday is Memorial Day. So this is the start of our holiday weekend. So today's Friday. What time is it? I think it's about 3 o'clock, give or take. I don't know if you can hear me over the music. Hopefully you can. There's a lot of music in here. Hopefully you can hear me. jewelry. I think it's real. So this is not a mall video. This is not a mall walking tour. I did this mall already. Just taking this for a little detour to the street. That's all. I'm about to go upstairs in a minute. That's all. I'm gonna go up this escalator right here and cut through one of the department stores that'll take me out to the street. So this wasn't a really long video. I'm taking my lunch home because I got an appointment at home, so I'm not gonna eat my lunch inside of the store. I'm gonna take it home. It's another train station, separate from the one I got on. I'm sure you remember that from the mall tour video I did. I'm sure you remember seeing that. But I'm gonna cut through this store and go outside. Cut through here last time. Yeah, go right out over here. Yeah, I won't stop the camera. I got my phone right now I'm using. But I do have my camera in my backpack. But I'm not gonna cut that on. I'll just keep recording on my phone. I think I got enough charge. I won't pull the camera out. So we're gonna go outside right over here. So this is the corner of Whatton Market. This is the corner of 11th and Market. You've seen me record this area plenty of times. So, gonna go down here. Oh, wait. I'm wrong. This isn't the way to where I'm going. I'll go this way. What the heck? I can go this way. I can go this way. Get me some lunch. I charged the camera up. Thought I was gonna use the camera today. I'll keep recording on the phone. I was gonna make 2 separate videos. My food. Actually, I am gonna make 2 separate videos. What was that key? All right, thank you all for taking this short walk with me. I appreciate it. Thank you for taking this short walk with me. Be sure to like, subscribe, comment, and share. And I shall see you all a little later. All right? Peace. Till next time.